Now, why do we talk about endemic species? The endemic species are called vulnerable. Like in the story, it is explaining that there are some plants and there are some animals which are living in a particular area. Indian giant squirrel and flying squirrel are endemic fauna of this area. The professor explains the children that destruction of the habitat of these animals can destroy the population of these animals. It may affect their natural habitat. When the population or people start living in the habitat of these animals, then they will not be able to live in that area, and this will endanger their existence. So what is the importance of preserving the habitat of these animals? How will these animals benefit us? So these animals are special animals which will not be able to live once they get extinct. So our future generations will not be able to see these animals. So what is a species? Species is a group of population which are capable of interbreeding. So species will be like human species, plant species, animal species. They interbreed, they produce their babies, and therefore the population of that species grows. This means that the members of a species they can reproduce offspring only when the members of their own species and not the members of other species. That means if there is a giant squirrel, then it will be able to produce another giant squirrel only when there is another male and female giant squirrel. So it will not be able to produce another giant squirrel, or it could be any plant, if the species of the same plant is not available. So members of a species have common characteristics. That is why they are called a species. Like human species is able to reproduce with humans only because they have the same traits and they have the same characters. So that is the meaning of species.